Okay, morning traders. We're going to go live here. I'm just getting it set up in the Edgeful Discord as well. I hope that you guys are doing well. Crazy markets right now. So let's just get this up. There you go. Okay, so let's just start this in the Edgeful Discord too. Okay, so you guys should be able to hear me here in the Edgeful Discord. Perfect. I hope that you guys are doing all good this morning. Happy Thursday. Yeah, okay, cool. We'll get right into it. Perfect. So obviously markets have been moving pretty crazy right now. So YM, I had a nice trade yesterday on YM. We can maybe speak about this. But just seeing this fail of that opening range breakout trade. So um, we came above the opening range high, okay, for that breakout. So I know a lot of traders might have caught those longs. We got back above it and then came right back down inside. So for me, I saw that was kind of like a failed breakout, false breakout, where we took the highs and we get back underneath that New York session VWAP, underneath the opening range high, and I'm taking it back down to the opening range low. One of my runners actually had about 300 points on it, so it was a nice trade. I missed the longs at the open and then managed to get back in and taking those shorts. But again, overnight, so let's just remove those drawings. Overnight, we are rallying back up. We rallied back up on that V bottom, back down at the lows here, and actually almost got back up to those opening range highs again. We got back to the middle of that range, but yeah, I did mention this yesterday. If you are trading futures contracts, make sure to size down. Markets are moving incredibly, it's incredibly volatile at the moment. Like just this move over here on the Dow is over 100 points. NASDAQ overnight is also moving higher. We can see that, overnight from the settlement price, we're up over 100 points too. So markets are really, really rallying. And if you are trading size on futures, you could be getting, hit on your max daily loss limits and that type of thing. We can see just on that pullback there yesterday, back to the opening range, was over 250 points on the NQ. So keep that in mind when you are coming into trade today. Keep that in mind that things are moving and you just need to take it. Maybe just size down. Have a little bit of wider stops could definitely help you keep yourself in those positions. If you go over to Edgeful, you guys always know I spoke about the screener yesterday. I love having that screener up. Pretty interesting day yesterday. I actually took the short, but a lot of the stuff on the screener was telling me to stay long bias. I think there was only 2 stocks in the first hour that were bullish. But obviously, we got the reversal later on in the afternoon. If you come and have a look like on Tesla yesterday, where we actually also rallied on the open and then hit that opening range high and end up making a new low of day. So, things again just moving very, very extreme right now. I mean, that was a 3% move from high to low yesterday on the Tesla and Nvidia as well. That's also why I did like the shorts. Look at Nvidia actually shut down on the open and then we end up taking opening range low and making a new low of day. So as I said, just keep your wits about you. Maybe size down, keep you in your trades longer and not, seeing, especially if you are trading these prop firm accounts, you could be seeing your max daily loss limit hit quite quickly if you are trading super aggressive on them. So levels right now today on the NQ, we are back at that high where we fell off yesterday. So maybe we could look for some shorts off that level. I think if we don't take out these highs at 25.1, call it 25.100, I'll be looking for shorts in continuation, just because of that level was a strong level, obviously yesterday where we fell off of. Same as the ES. If you come over to the ES chart as well, make sure to put your comments if you got any thoughts on that, if you've got any questions in the chat. But same as on ES as well. I think that level at 764 is quite a strong resistance zone where we fell off of yesterday. And I would like to look for longs above that rather than trying to trade towards it. News today on the cards right now. Okay, we do have pretty blank news. We don't really have much. I look at some forex factory over here I use for my scheduled news. We don't really have much at the moment. We just got some CAD news later on, but nothing really to speak of today or tomorrow, so nothing to worry about there. But yeah, as I said, I think longs in continuation over there is good above those highs on ES at that previous day's high level, which is that white dot line 767. Otherwise, I wouldn't be surprised to see us, come back down lower. Anyone got any thoughts or anything in the chat or anything that's been working for you in terms of some Edgeful reports? But yeah, good to have you on, Hoa. You guys know I like to keep these pre-market preps pretty short and sweet. I can have an idea of what I would like to see coming into the market open, and things could completely flip on us as we get there. So yeah, just size down. That would be my recommendation. Size down on those proper accounts that the trailing drawline can get you if you size too heavy. And yeah, just one day at a time. You just need one good trade at a time. I see we actually ES is coming lower now. The DAX also coming a little bit lower as well. So yeah, it's similar to yesterday where we had a massive gap up to start the day. Maybe we could see a pop in the open before falling away the rest of the day. But who knows? We'll see what we do get coming into the open. I think I'm just going to lean into my Edgeful reports. Though you guys know I love using the opening range and VWAP, just trading in line with that New York section VWAP, as well as the opening range as well. And that's something that I think I did pretty well yesterday in terms of not getting caught trying to buy too high on the indexes over here. On YM, you guys know I did speak about shorting YM, but I didn't get caught trying to buy it in here when we had already moved up like 1,000 points on YM the previous day, or 800 points, or whatever it was. And then I get this nice flush down here as we take that New York session VWAP to the downside. And you could have maybe got some re-entries here underneath that opening range low. I think this was probably the trade of the day. Underneath that opening range low, underneath the New York session VWAP, and you get that continuation play to the downside. But yeah, that's I'll be in here in the chat the rest of the day. Just keep it simple. Don't try and do too much. Markets, I really do enjoy these type of market volatility from my discretional trading, because I can catch some nice runners. And if you just find a good price, you can be in. It could be the trade of the direction that you trade for that day. But yeah, have a good rest of the trading day. We'll see you on in the Edgeful Discord rest of the day, and then as well as on my live stream. I am streaming live as always for the market open. So have a good one, guys, and we'll see you all then.